What comes here, what I would like to ask you is, when you heard the name Hands Full of Earth, what did it mean to you? What does it mean to you?
Well, the immediate association with Hands Full of Earth is actually getting your hands involved. Yeah, it's not only Earth Festival or Earth Day. It can be quite abstract. I think for me in that way it's positive. Hands Full of Earth, it means there's something to do with your hands, which is very much needed in the urban context in India, because everybody more and more, that's how they're using the hands. And the kids like this. Yeah, I thought what I really appreciated, it was a fabulous creative gesture with this politician coming and holding that ball of red mud and giving it to the kids. That was a design top.
That happened.
You. That
Over
happened
what?
Over lunch.
That happened over lunch.
there.
You were there. And that was my idea.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But no, really, that was very good. I think a very good combination also on my young side, that you basically, you had that thing running with useful, playful activities, but that you had a scientific part to it, so to say. I think that was also very interesting balance. You know, I learned it from, I did some events with Rajiv Sethi, you know, whom I consider one of the most amazing people of living India. And he also does that. He does performances, but then he has a forum of politicians and social activists and business people right there working out next steps. So I think that's also a very interesting concept, that it's not only a happening place, but that it's also a study place, and actually in one way, how to say, what I did when we organized, I was into traditional games in Tamil Nadu. We have these amazing board games, field games and stuff like this. When we got the politicians, we put them onto the games and had them play, and you know what, they loved it because they all grew up with it in their childhood, and then basically we got them involved. And that, you know, then they get touched and then they're ready. And then and there you can actually say, sir, actually we have this thing here with this sample, this project is there, we feel actually this is cool. That would be an interesting thing. That's also a thing that to see even tomorrow, how to say, where you can link that energy which you created into some next possible steps. Because we know you have an event, it goes like, you build up, you build up, you build up, you have a steep curve, and then it's like, because now you're riding on the energy, but when it's over, the energy and the, how to say, the hormone, everything drops naturally. But if you have some stone throws ahead from that field into a next field, then you can pick it up.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.